Okay, the first step is to get hold of the block superframe code, the initial state. So we'll save that from the course. And we should be able to find it in our downloads, and then we'll paste it into our Moodle install. So obviously this will be operating system dependent. And we'll find our Moodle blocks, and I'll paste it in here. And I'll rename it. Nope, sorry, I'll extract it. And then I'll rename it. I'm going to rename it to superframe. If you decide to change the name, then bear in mind that you'll have to do a search and replace of every occurrence of superframe and rename it to whatever you want to call your own block. You don't need to do this necessarily. Okay, so now we're going to install the block. Moodle's going to pick up that something's arrived. And yep, it's upgraded. We continue, and now let's check that we can actually install this as a block. So we'll find a course. We won't choose that. That's the home course. We'll go to yep, Developers Level 1 course. We'll turn on editing. That allows us to add a block. Alright, and it's superframe. Okay, notice we have a block called super iframe already. That was the previous incarnation of this particular course, but now we've added a few new things, so we've changed the block, and there it is. There's the block. Okay, so we may have to, or you may have to, change the permissions depending on how you copied the files into your Moodle install. So I'll just quickly change those for the superframe folder. Make sure Moodle doesn't complain, or the Apache server doesn't complain. So that's done. So now we're going to go into the folder and initialize a new Git repository. And there it is. Okay, so now we'll add all the files, add dot, and then we'll commit them. And this will be our first commit, so we'll add the commit message. Okay, I'm going to create a new repository now at GitHub. You may choose a different place if you wish. I'm going to call it Moodle block, and then underscore superframe. I'll have to call it superframe 2 because I've already got a superframe repository. Just create the repository without doing anything else at this stage. Okay, and you'll find the command that you need to add your remote is right here. We've already done the first few commands. We paste it in here. Makes things nice and easy. I've already done this previous to the demo, so you see that. Now I can push my code up to the repository. There are ways to save your passphrase. We'll leave that for now. Alright, and if we go back towards GitHub and look at the repository, click the repository name, there it is. Okay, I'm going to create